First one is keyboard. The second one is pointing devices. There are many pointing devices. So the first pointing device is mouse. So we can take this is the most popular pointing device. This is the most what. So the eighth question, mark it. What is the most popular pointing device? What is the most popular pointing device? That's the mouse. So mouse provides input via buttons. The mouse contains a left button and a right button. Mouse has a wheel to roll up and down in the screen. Laptop computers use a touchpad or a mouse is as the pointing device. So the next one is, so for laptop we use touchpad, for computer we use the mouse. The next pointing device is touch screen. So this is touch screen. In our phone also we have this. So touch screen is the input and output device in the modern computers and mobile phones. So data is fed by touching the screen. It also acts as a pointing device. So we can touch the screen. Now I can touch the screen and write and give out the data. Here I can't use any mouse or a touchpad. We can use this touch screen as the pointing device. So next example is joystick. This is also a pointing device used in computer games to move the cursor. To move the cursor, we use this pointing device. So the next one is joystick. This is also a pointing device which is used in the computer games to move the cursor. And the next one is light pen. Light pen is used to select menu items on the screen or to draw or write on the screen. This is used in computer aided designs. So in foreign restaurants and all, we use the light pen to select the menu items or draw or write on the screen. Or to do a presentation, we use this light pen to present a presentation. So the next question is name for pointing device. The third one is imaging and video input devices. So video input devices, what is that? First one is digital camera. This is the input device used to input photographs and videos to the computer. Display screen serves as the output device of the camera. So the second one is webcam. The webcam is used to view a user connected to the computer through internet to capture videos. It is positioned on top of the laptop monitor and the desktop computers can be connected externally. So this can be connected externally to connect through internet or Skype or WhatsApp or to talk with others. The next one is closed circuit TV. That means CCTV, closed circuit TV. The images or videos captured by cameras are fed as input to the computers. Fourth one is scanners. So there are some examples for the scanners. Flatbed scanners. That means this is an input device which functions like a photocopying machine. The scanned image or document is captured by the laser beams. So there will be a glass that we called as laser beams and converted to digital data. It will be converted to the computer or the phone through digital data. The scanned picture or document can be saved in the computer. It will be saved in our device. The example 2 is barcode reader. This can be used in food cities, supermarket and all. So barcode reader, this device is used to read the barcodes. There can be given some barcodes like sorry. Okay, so the device is used to read the barcodes. I think you know barcodes. The barcode is converted to an alphanumeric value by the barcode reader and it is fed to the computer connected to it. So it can be converted to alphanumeric value by the barcode reader and fed to the computer. The next example is magnetic ink character reader. That means MICR. This is available in banks. It is available in banks. It is used to check the accuracy of a check. So the accuracy to check the accuracy of a check. Check mean the checkbook they will give. So this accuracy means the right thing. And then this device reads numbers printed at the bottom of the check, its data such as bank code, bank account number and then feed them to the computer. So the next one is optical character recognition. Optical character recognition, that means OCR. This is used to capture text in a computer and to edit that captured text in the document. This is commonly used to check forms filled in pen and pencil. So the next one is optical mark recognition, OMR. This is an input device which recognizes marks made using a pencil or a pen. It is commonly used to check forms filled in pen or pencil, correct MCQs of exam papers. It can read the marks and feed that data to the computer. And then ATM, automated teller machine. ATMs have made bank transaction convenient for customers. ATM machine reads the number in the debit or credit cards inserted into the machine and connect to the computer. Once the bank account number is read through the ATM, one system connects with the bank's computer for processing the transaction. And then the microphone. Microphone is used to feed sound to a computer. Fifth one is microphone. It is used to feed sound to a computer. So now we'll go on to the output device. So what is the output device? There are several methods of producing the processed information by a computer system. Some of them are soft copy, hard copy, and then sound. What are the several methods of producing the processed information? So this is the 10th question. So what are the several methods of producing the processed information via computer system is soft copy, hard copy, sound. Some of them are given. So soft copy is the output on the screen is called a soft copy. The output on the screen is called a soft copy. The result which will be shown in the screen is we called as a soft copy. The soft copy output can be provided on the following devices: monitor or screen. This is also called Visual Display Unit, VDU. There are several types of monitors available today. So Visual Display Unit, VDU. So okay, and then in that A, there are several types of monitors. In an A, cathode ray tube, CRT monitor. This type of monitor is large in size and consumes more electricity. So cathode ray tube with screen consume more electricity and then it will be large in size. So the next one is liquid crystal display, that means LCD. This is a flat screen type technology. LCD displays utilize two sheets of polarizing material with a liquid crystal solution between them. So LED consumes less electricity. And then light emitting diode, LED. So LED screens are designed using light emitting diodes, which will be when there is a Christmas or a Vesak, they will use this light emitting diode only in the shop. So LED displays have better brightness and they used for symbols. See, they use for symbols and then billboards and then name boards in common places and roads. This has become a popular medium today due to its low electricity consumption because it consumes electricity. It consumes low electricity. So it has been popular. And then the multimedia projector. So this is the device used to get information output to a wide screen. You had been seen it in the school. So that several people can view it at the same time. Everyone can view at the same time. Okay. So this can be used as a visual aid by a teacher. So in theater also they use this one only. But that is another type. This can be used as a visual aid by a teacher to display presentation, to conduct business meeting, or to watch videos for entertainment. So this can be used by a teacher to display a presentation or for the business meeting, and then to watch a video which is related for the entertainment. And then the hard copy. So hard copy is related to printers. So first of all, hard copies are tangible computer outputs. The following devices which provide hard copy output are printers. There are two main types of printers. These are printers in that impact printers and then non-impact printers. Dot matrix, in that impact printers can be given as an example. Dot matrix printer and then line printer. So we'll see what is impact printer. So impact printer are a primary level device in the printing technology. So it is the primary, that means basic level device in the printing technology. Impact printer refers to a class of printers that have a head or needle which strike against an ink ribbon to make a mark on the paper. So it refers to a class of printer that have head or needle. It has a head or a needle which strike against an ink ribbon. It doesn't have ink ribbon to make a mark on the paper. It have the head or needle. Its function, it is noisy. It will be noisy. Okay. However, since the ink ribbon used is not expensive, so the ink ribbon is used is not expensive. This is used in banks and shops for printing receipts, etc. The following are the some of the impact devices as the dot matrix printer and then line printer. So you can see this printer in the shop for like Fashion Park and all. They use this printer for the receipt. Okay, and then they give this printer in the bank also. Okay, so the dot matrix printer is letters are printed on the paper as small dots. Here, when the printer's head strikes on the ink ribbon with needle-like tips, the head strikes on the ink ribbon. The ink ribbon will be with needle-like tips. Okay, so it will be printed using like small dots. And then the line printer is the fast printer. This is a quick printer which prints one row at a time. One row in a minute. So this can in a minute or in a second. This can print about 3000 lines per minute. It can print about 3000 lines per minute. So it is a fast printer. So the non-impact printers can be given some example like laser printer, bubble printer or inkjet printer, and then thermal printer. So what is non-impact printers? That does not operate by striking head against a ribbon. Hence, it is not noisy. It is not noisy. The printouts are better quickly. Running cost of these printers are more expensive than impact printers. So this is more expensive. So laser printer in that. Laser printer utilizes a laser beam. It has a laser beam. It utilizes a laser beam to produce an image. Through a mirror on a drum. So the light of the laser alters the electrical charge on the drum and the applied tone and dried ink in the cartridge. So there are laser printers which print about A4 size papers per minute. Per minute they used to print 4 A4 size papers, and then both black and white. As well as color laser printers are available. So there are color laser printers also available. The laser printer produces clear and quality printouts. So the next printer is bubble or inkjet printer. Bubble or inkjet printer is liquid ink stored in tanks is kept in the cartridge and ink is deposited on paper through small nozzles and produce the printer. So if you have printer at home, you can say that. I also bought a printer, Canon printer, I think TS5300 series. So it is related to this one only, bubble or inkjet printer. So this has a liquid ink stored. It has a cartridge. It will be stored by a liquid ink. So it will be deposited on the paper through small nozzles. There will be a hole. Through that only it will be deposited to the paper. So to produce the print. The next one is thermal printers. Heat is used to print the document. So through heat, the document will be printed. It is commonly used in business to print receipts in devices such as like ATM and in printing labels. So in ATM and then printing labels and all, they use this one only to print. For the business use, only this one is used to print receipts. So in ATM machine, they use this thermal printer. And then plotter. The fourth one is plotter. This is commonly used in computer-based planning, architectural designs, town planning, designing sailing boats. A plan is drawn by moving a pen on the paper. So this printer is used to draw a plan for the architectural designs and town planning or designing sailing boats and all. So this is done by moving the pen on the paper. When it move, the paper, it will be print out. Okay. So the next one is sounds. The third category is sound. In the several methods of producing the processed information by a computer. This device which gives a sound output is called speaker. We know speaker sound means itself speaker only. Speaker devices are designed for personal and common purpose. It is used for common purpose as well as for our personal purpose. Okay. So we had studied about Define system, identifies computer system, recognizes computer as a computer system, list and describe the hardware computers of a system, and then distinguishes peripherals as input device, output device, and input device. Peripheral we didn't study, yeah? And then system concept, introduction computer, computer hardware, input device, memory device. I think this one we didn't study, we'll study. And then we'll go to the system.